Hello, this is Taylor Lindsay explaining the online feedback form for my technology solution. This is for Wilmington University, EDT 6045. So basically the online feedback form that would be provided to each person and each student who requires any sort of additional educational accommodations would be provided this form at the beginning of the year. The name would be the student's name. The week, you could say week 1, or you could do the date range, and this would have the case manager for the student who would be working within the special education department. The goal for this assignment and the goal for this technology solution would be just to have everything organized each and every week of what is going on. The students at LCTI would have their 5 core classes of social studies, English, science, math, health, and PE, and their lab, and the assignment would just be posted of what is going to be due, what their due date with any sort of extended time would be, and any feedback that is provided afterwards. This would be a very simple worksheet that would be provided each and every week that the student could go from. If they were not doing well and the feedback required any additional work, that would be posted there. If there's more than one assignment, it would be posted here. And then you could also post that this is on Google Classroom, and the student would know where they should be looking for the assignment. Each teacher could do this. It doesn't take very long. They could even import things from Google Calendars, and that is it. Thank you.